today using leftover mashed potato. If you're like me, I never judge how much mashed potato to make. This was leftovers from last night's tea, but I've got a nifty little way of using this up. I've got a bit of onion, garlic, and I'm going to show you what we can do to use this up. First, we're going to transfer the potato to a different bowl. It's nice and mouldable when it's cold, so that's handy. I'm going to crush the garlic. If I can find my little crusher. Let's cut it a little bit. Where did I put my knife? Just going to chop it a little. I'm going to crush it. And you put the garlic straight into the potatoes. You do not want big bits of garlic in this, believe me. That'll do. I'm just going to put that into the waste bin. And then we're going to grate the onion. I don't want big chunks of onion in this either. So, just going to grate the onion a bit. I probably won't use all this for that much potato. Depends how much leftovers you've got. Right, I think that's enough. I'm just going to chop that piece off so I can use this again. There we go. Get that in the food waste. And all the onion is inside here. I've only got red onion. White onion works fine. Spring onion works fine. Whatever you've got. And then we're going to give this a good stirring in. I'm just doing it with a spoon a minute and then I'll get in there with my hands. So these are very garlicky, oniony potato mix. We are going to do, once we have mixed it all in, is form some balls. Oh, garlicky, oniony balls. You want them like even sized. Go. Like I said, oh dear, I'm dropping it. Potato is very malleable when it's cold and it thickens a bit, doesn't it? Oh, it's a bit too much. Obviously you can make a potato cake shape, but I like the little balls. Onion and all. There we go. And there are my potato balls. The next part is to air fry them. So I'm going to pop these in the air fryer on some baking paper. You can make smaller balls if you would like. They take less time to cook, but I quite like these size balls. So we're going to pop them in the air fryer. To match both. I'm going to start with 10 minutes, see how we go, and I'll show you the end result. So you've got to make sure you turn these so they crisp evenly. Oh, that was hot, be careful, they're scorching. I've actually changed the air fryer and set it to max crisp. So this is the end result. Crispy, oniony, garlicky potato balls made from leftover mashed potato. I think that's brilliant. You could serve that with fried egg and beans, corned beef casserole. You could serve it with a bit of savoury mince on the side. such a great way of using up leftover mashed potatoes. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've got any other ideas of using up mashed potatoes. I normally do fish cakes and obviously potato balls and things like that, but any ideas you may have, I'd appreciate them. And let me know if you're going to have a go at this as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.